To play the time game, we first need to focus on the counts. So the counts goes like 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 1. So as for the countings in your book, the time game goes something like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 1. So that's how you do the time game. So just do it in a quicker way. To go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 1. So now you are ready to do the time game. Go and kill the monster.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.